Welcome back to Homestead News with Kevin and Pat. I am Kevin, and this weekend we are in Lewisburg, West Virginia, where we are staying at the Quality Inn and we're going to give you a walkthrough of the room, as well as the hotel, and show you what this hotel is like. Come along. So we are in room 113. I've already opened up the door. I'm getting Pat inside here. And this is the room here. Alright. So, got one nightstand. AC, it is cool. There's the bed. The thing for our luggage. TV. Microwave. Mini fridge. And it is cold. Good. And the bathroom. We got towels here. And got a roll-in shower, but it does looks like it does have a little bit of lip to try to hold the water in, which is a good thing. And but it's not so low, or it's not so high that a wheelchair couldn't roll over that. That's really good. I like that. And it works. And they've got these stupid things that I don't really care for, instead of the bottles of soap, bars of soap, and so. Well, they do have a bar of soap here but they got the shampoo and conditioner in these big bottles, and lotion on big bottles hanging on the wall. The closet is basically non-existent, but they have these hooks here for clothes. So that will work. And there's another set on the other side of the TV, which I've already hung my jacket on. All right. So we've got a black light to check out the hotel room this time. Give you all a good full overview. I'm not seeing anything glowing. Nothing's showing up so far. Let's go ahead and pull the sheets back. Everything's looking nice and clean. How about the floor? Ooh, what is that? Actually, I think that might be... Alright, let's turn on the light. That may be a spot that's... Nope, there's nothing that's visible there. But under the black light, it sure is there. Pat, you want to see this?
Let me get my crutches out.
Oh.
Somebody probably spilled something.
So, there's another little stain right there. That's not quite as visible, but it's right there.
It's all over the carpet. Whatever it is.
Yep, there's something right there. A little tiny one there. It's on the bed looked clean, but the carpet, there are a few spots where it is showing up. Let's check this chair here. Not seeing anything showing up under the black light on the chair. Oh, there's one little tiny spot on the arm of the chair. Right there. Overall, everything does look clean, but let's. All right, now the bathroom. Not seeing anything in the bathroom. Everything looks pretty clean in the bathroom. We will come over here to the shower. The shower looks clean. That's real good. What about that shower head? Not seeing anything on the shower head. Can't see any already. So the black light only revealed a few spots on the carpet and a little tiny spot on the chair. Other than that, it looked pretty good. All right, the breakfast area. Got fruit right here.
It's surreal.
There's the waffle maker. And we got yogurt over here. Cold cereal. Muffins, bread for toast, English muffins. So we got some what you call them? Anyway, I can't think what you eggs and cheese. And we got biscuits and gravy. The Quality Inn in Lewisburg. This is the lobby area. There's the front desk. That back there is where breakfast is served. They have a little shop here. And so just come inside, and right up there is the ice machine. So just come inside, and right up there is the ice machine. Upstairs for the laundry room. Guest laundry, it's right here. It does require a key card. There's a dryer that is out of order, one dryer that is in use, and only one washing machine. Okay. Guest laundry is open 9 to 8. For guest use only. $1.75. There is no change machine in here. So, alright. So we are about to check out of our Quality Inn in Lewisburg, and just wanted to say the three nights we spent here were good for the most part. I mean, it was a clean room, and you seen with our first ever blacklight test, there wasn't really that much that stood out. There was a few spots on the carpet and one on an arm of the chair, but otherwise, very clean room. And Pat, any final thoughts on Quality Inn in Lewisburg?
No, it was a very clean room. There's probably just some maintenance issues that we need to mention to them. A leaky faucet, air conditioner that is starting to make a continuous noise. Other than that, we did have a problem with ants. Couldn't leave any type of food out for any length, for a moment. The ants were on it.
Right. Would you stay here again if?
Yes, I would.
All right. Very good. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and if you're using a mobile device, be sure to use that new hype feature that YouTube has rolled out.
Don't forget to find us on Facebook and follow us. And thanks for watching.
Have a great day. God bless you all.